Hey folks, it's Keith at Redwood Groves, and I got some requests to actually see the rainwater harvesting in action. We've gotten about an inch of rain here now. Actually got about an inch of rain here in about less than an hour and a half. Both tanks, there's 3,200 gallons in there, are coming through. You can see the overflow is overflowing. My first flush, I don't know if you can actually zoom in there far enough, you can see the stream, but they're falling, and everything's working. So what happens, kind of going backwards here on you, but water comes off of the roof through the first screens, comes down here through the first flush, comes in here, goes up to those lines. Once the first flush is coming, goes into the tank, goes down to the center of the tank, so the fresh water goes to the bottom, which means the oldest water, just by temperature differential, rises, and so the oldest water goes out. The overflow out of the two tied-in drains comes out that way. So here's an example of the gutter screens. So what we just got was about 5 inches of rain in 5 hours, about an inch an hour. And what it does is just grabs all of the debris before it actually gets down to the tank. So we pretty much come through here every rainstorm and have to clean these things out, but I'd rather clean them out here than clean out the tanks is more. So here's another example. As you can see, a bunch of pine needles. Actually, there's usually a lot more, but that was so much rain. I think what happened is it's piling up. The rain will come down here and actually pull it. You can see it's coming out. So it's kind of self-cleaning, but it always leaves some there for us to clean off. But as you can tell, pretty easy to clean, and you're ready for the next rain. So from the tanks, I do a short head well, pull the water up from this pump, goes down into the 68-gallon pressure tank. I went large so that the pump doesn't have to run very often. It comes up, it goes through a 10 micron filter, a 2 micron filter, and then I have a UV light. I think this does 12 gallons per minute capability. Comes out through and then goes and feeds the water system. So the whole house, it runs off of this filter system, and so all the water in the house, I don't have any gray water, everything is rainwater, and it's twin filtered here, not to mention all of the screen filter out there and anything else going in the system. My light keeps shutting off. So in conclusion, that's our rainwater harvesting system. If you like, give me that thumbs up, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.